You're not going to want to sleep on this one. We sold this property pre-construction, and we anticipate this one selling just as fast. This property is going to be absolutely amazing. Behind me, you're going to have 2 stories of floor-to-ceiling glass. On my left, you have a 4-car garage. On my right, you have a 4-car garage. This house is absolutely amazing for the car collector. And this part of the house is the cloakroom. This is where you and the boys are hanging out. Right here, we'll have a wall of glass overlooking your car collection. With almost 2,000 square feet in the Upper East Master Wing, what really steals the show is the view. Trophy properties like this don't come up very often in Jupiter, sitting on an acre of land. Give me a shout for your private opportunity.